Preparing a mix for mastering is an essential part of music production that requires careful attention to detail. Here are 5 tips to help you prepare your mix for mastering. Reference your mix. When you're mixing, it's important to compare your mix with a professional commercial track. This can help you identify areas that need improvement and make adjustments accordingly. Make sure your tracks are properly edited. This includes trimming the start and end of each track, removing unwanted noise, and ensuring that there are no clicks or pops in the audio. Bounce high-resolution mix files. When exporting your mix, it's important to use high-resolution file formats such as WAV or AIFF. The preferred sample rate is 44.1 kHz, or the sample rate that you recorded at, and a 24-bit depth or higher. This ensures that the mastering engineer has access to the highest quality audio possible. Leave good headroom. When preparing a mix for mastering, your loudest peak should be between -6 decibels and -3 decibels. This provides the mastering engineer with enough headroom for their processing and uses the majority of the available bit depth of the recording, in turn, utilizing the majority of the dynamic range. Bus processing. If you are using a compressor, limiter, EQ on your master bus, then it's recommended that you remove any effects before you render your mix. This is because your mastering engineer will most likely have much better and higher quality gear than some of the plugins you're using. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to preparing a mix that's ready for mastering. Remember, every mix is unique, so don't be afraid to trust your ears and make adjustments as needed. Tickle that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense tips.